Hi guys, so I actually wasn't planning on filming today, but as I was driving, I thought about such a good video to show you guys, and it's 5 different like foods and herbs that help with stress management. And I will show you what I like to use. So a really awesome one that I've been using is called ashwagandha. And so if you look on the bottle, ashwagandha is actually a root, and so this is what I have been taking. So ashwagandha is super awesome, and it's known to be an adaptogen, and adaptogens help our bodies manage stress. So another adaptogen is mushrooms, and so this right here is a mixed mushroom supplement, and so it has turkey tail, lion's mane, good for energy, chaga, good for stress, maitake, shiitake, cordyceps, and reishi is good for sleep. So now we're on to the other things that I use for stress management, and the majority of things are considered adaptogens. And adaptogens, again, just mean that it helps our bodies adapt. So it helps with stress hormones. So if you wake up in the morning and you feel very stressed out and you like feel kind of grumpy and angry, yes, it could be because of the lack of caffeine in your body, but another reason is it could be from you. So our bodies naturally have different hormone levels depending on what time of day. So right when you wake up, your cortisol level is high, and depending on what you do, it could be higher than normal. And so what I like to do is if I feel grumpy right when I wake up, I will take one of each. I will take the ashwagandha and I will take the mushroom. So then I actually just have the powder, but in this jar is something called maca powder, and maca tastes like honeycomb, caramel. It has a very unique taste to it, and so it can make things kind of taste like toffee, basically. And so this is a root, and it kind of like looks like a white beetroot. And it is an adaptogen, which is super awesome. So that is number 3 on the list. Okay, so the last 2 foods for stress. Okay, so the last one is rhodiola, and it's spelled like this, rhodiola. And basically that is another root, and so I ended up getting this from Health Code, and I have it linked on my Instagram, but the point is this particular supplement has rhodiola, but it also has ashwagandha in it as well, and it also has something called schisandra, and I believe that that's an adaptogen as well. So this is pretty much like a powerhouse of like stress relief. So on the bottle it literally says helps reduce stress and fatigue, boost memory and focus, increased energy and stamina. So that's very cool. And then the 5th food / herb that you can use to reduce stress is Tulsi. And so what you can do is actually drink it as a tea. It's perfectly safe for eczema if you are watching, and someone that watches like all my eczema videos. Actually, all of these are perfectly safe for stage 1. The mushrooms, the rhodiola, ashwagandha is fine for it too. And then you can drink Tulsi tea and be perfectly fine. Another name for Tulsi tea is holy basil. So I wanted to just tell you guys these tips because, you know, if you do come from watching me because of the eczema, then you probably know that eczema and stress are very related, and so stress can actually cause leaky gut. Leaky gut is the cause of many autoimmune disorders. So that ranges from psoriasis, Crohn's disease, irritable bowel syndrome, irritable bowel disease, lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, allergies, and asthma. Those are all autoimmune disorders, and they pretty much all come from the root cause of leaky gut. So make sure you're de-stressing. Lavender essential oil also helps with stress, but I just wanted to come on here really fast and just teach you guys something, because it was something I was thinking about in the car, and I was like, well, you know, I feel like you two would benefit from knowing how to use food to reduce stress. So do your research on them more and see what you think. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!